Hi, welcome to another 5-minute flower where I show you how to quickly hand embroider cute little flowers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do forget-me-not flowers, and I am just hand drawing out how I want to make these flowers. Just a few stems and some dots where I'm going to put the center of the flower. I usually don't draw out the petals because sometimes I want to change where I put them. I am using carbon transfer paper to trace my drawing onto my fabric. I use this paper all the time and it is linked below. I always put an extra piece of just plain cotton fabric behind my stitching fabric. This helps to keep the fabric sturdy and keep it from bunching up when you're stitching. I'm going to start with a light green for the stems. This is actually called brown gray. The number is 3022 by DMC Thread. I use 2 strands doubled over to make 4 and then knot at the end. Whenever I'm doing stems, I always use the split stitch for the stem. I just like the way it looks and it gives it a little bit more texture. To do the split stitch, you're going to make 1 stitch forward, and then when you come up back through the fabric, you're going to go right in the center of that stitch that you just did. And then same thing, go another stitch length forward, and then back up through the center of that stitch, and you just keep going. Then for the leaves, I'm doing the fishbone stitch, so you make 1 stitch and then you come up on the side of it just a little bit lower and go back down right below that first stitch. And you do that on both sides until your leaf is done. And then just do those 2 stitches to finish out your stem. Now for the center of the flowers, I'm going to do the French knot. Go up through the back of your fabric, loop your thread around 2 or 3 times, and then go back down right in the center. Again, I'm using 2 strands of thread folded over to make 4. If you want thicker flowers, you can always do more strands of thread on your needle. I'm just adding a blue French knot, so it's like a little flower that hasn't bloomed yet. Then I'm gonna do the actual petals on the forget-me-nots. I'm just doing simple straight stitches here, and I'm doing 2 of them together with 5 petals total. Again, if you want thicker petals, you can do more strands of thread, or you can do 3 or 4 stitches next to each other for each petal. And on some of the petals, I'm going over the stem just to make it look like it's in the front of the stem, and some of them are just resting on the top. These little flowers would be super cute to put on tote bags, headbands, backpacks, or even for birth flower name hoops. Maybe I'll add those to my Etsy shop. And that is it. Thanks for watching another 5-minute flower, and let me know what flower you want me to stitch next.